My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2020 Hyundai Kona. This vehicle has done just over 25,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as an option. We also have automatic headlights. On the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, using the buttons just below, we can access our map, navigation, our button settings, radio, media, which includes Apple and Android CarPlay, and our setup. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below the screen, we have our AC. And if we press here, we can access our different driving modes: Eco, Comfort, Sport, and if we hold down, Eco Plus. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.